Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about how to solve the example on computation of areas using different rules. In our previous session, we will discuss about the various methodology for calculation of areas using different methodology. See that our first example. In that example, given data is that interval is 10 meter from the survey line to an irregular boundary line. There have been given some of the different coordinates for the baseline and offsets. Now we have to calculate area in meter square for enclosing between the survey line. First, we have to calculate the area using the average rule, and second, we have to calculate the area using trapezoidal rule, and after that, we have to calculate the area using Simpson rule. It is very useful for consideration of different rule and its accuracy. Now, as per given data, the common distance is 10 meter and A is the required area. As per the average rule, now given number of coordinates is 8 and the given number of coordinate is 9 and number of division is 8. So the length of total survey line is equal to number of division multiplied by the common distance is equal to 80 meter. Area, formula for area using the average ordinate rule, A is equal to O1 plus O2 plus O3 plus ON upon n plus 1 multiplied by L. N plus 1 is equal to number of ordinates. Now we have to put that our data into the formula and we can get the answer. Area is equal to 543.38 meter square. Next is the trapezoidal ordinate rule. For the trapezoidal ordinate rule, the formula is equal to area, formula for area is equal to d by 2 multiplied by first ordinate plus last ordinate plus 2 into the remaining ordinates. Now we have to put the data into our formula and we can get the answer of area is equal to 553.03 meter square. Next rule is Simpson rule. Formula for that rule for finding the area is equal to d by 3 multiplied by 1 plus on plus 4 into sum of the even ordinates plus 2 into sum of the odd ordinates. Area is equal to, now we can put that value into the formula and we can get answer 560.05 meter square. We seen that are the three of area are the different as per the rules. First value of average ordinate rule is equal to 543.38 meter. As per trapezoidal rule 553.03 meter square, and area is equal to Simpson rule area is equal to 560.05 meter square. So we can see that the actual area is nearly about 560.05 meter square. So that gives the larger value compared to any other rule. But accuracy depends on the shapes of area. So we have taken the mean between the trapezoidal and Simpson rule for that exact and nearer area. Next example is we are giving the 10 meter intervals from the survey line to an irregular boundary line, and there have been given some of that ordinates offset value. Now we have to calculate the enclosed area between the irregular boundary using trapezoidal and Simpson rule. In the picture, I am showing that the different ordinate at different intervals. Now, as per Simpson rule, we are previously seen that are the formulas for Simpson rule, and we have to put that data into that formula, and we can get area is equal to 401.50 meters square. Now, as per Simpson rule, we have to put that data into that Simpson rule formula, and we can get area 404.67 meters square, right? So that should give the greater result with compared to trapezoidal rule. So it's give the accurate result compared to the trapezoidal rule. Now I can give you the one of that practice assignment for calculation of areas, in which that some of that data given like interval and offset of ordinates, and that we have to find out the enclosed area between the irregular boundaries and the survey line. We have to calculate using the mid-ordinate rule, average ordinate, trapezoidal and Simpson rule, and some of that answer is also given in that, and we have to find out that answers. That is a practice example, so you have to carry it out it by your hand. Now another example is based on computation of area from coordinate method or using the coordinate method. In that method, we have to find out the area using the different types of coordinate that should be given. Now we are known that for that 2D area finding purpose, we have two coordinates x and y, and we have to arrange x and y ordinate as per the given form, and after that we have to multiply that format as per cross multiplication. And now we have to put the product of cross multiplication and summate it, and have to put in that area formula. The formula for finding the area using the coordinate method is equal to 1/2 multiplied by summation of sigma p and minus summation of sigma q. Now in the example of area using the coordinate method, some of the coordinates are given and that points are given. So we have to calculate area between the chain line and the edge by the coordinate method. So first we have to arrange all the ordinate into the x and y format, and now we have to cross multiply each ordinate and summate it and get the answer as per the previous methodology. Now for finding the sigma p, we have to black line, we have to multiply the black line ordinates or darker line ordinates plus another darker line ordinates plus multiplication product with another darker line ordinate, and we can get the value of sigma p. Next thing is the sum of the products along the dotted line. Now that is the same procedure as sigma p. Next thing, required area is equal to 1/2 sigma p minus sigma q. So we can get the area using the coordinate method. Thank you. I hope you will understand the example solving process by using the different rules that we can studied previously. Thank you.